Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your city on the Big Bus Tours application so that you can look for tickets. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the Manage button down below that you can find in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down a bit and tap on the fourth option, which is Switch City. Here you can see the available options. So just simply click on the relevant one that you would like to choose. And after that, you will be able to buy your tickets or look for attractions, explore the city and check out the attractions, and basically that's it. Feel free to change your city anytime by coming back to this manage section and tap on the Switch City button so you can change between the cities so that you can check out each option. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.